guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. How are you, lovelies? I hope you are doing good. So for today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the collaboration group play saving challenges that I have in here. And for that, we're going to save $200. I'll I double the amount because I don't know if I can upload, if I can film another videos next week. So let's see if my power can do it or not, if my time can do it. But for now, let's save here $200. And okay, for the collaboration, this one is from this is for the Saving Around the World 2025 12 months of savings. If you on following my journey, and a lot of us is part of this challenge. It's now August, and the one who made the challenge for this month of August is, her channel name is at @pipas_aunt, and it's representing Australia. She's from Australia. So for today, what I'm going to do is it's a roll and save. But if you want to see who's part of this collaboration, I put it on the description box. Okay, so let's roll and save here. Let's roll 2 dice. So I just one circle represent 1 die I roll. Okay, roll 2 dice. So 4 and 4. Okay, 2 more. So 5 and 2. So let's save this one. So 8, 10, 15. $15. Let's see if I can have a change here, or else I will go to my coin jar. 50, so 35, right? 35. Okay, let me do this. Let me change this one first. Hold on. Okay, I change it into smaller notes, so $15. Let's do $5 change here. Okay, $5 change. So I will not count how much is in here. I will count it at the end of this year. So it's gonna be a surprise. So the next collaboration is this one. So this one is supposed to be it's a spring collab, but I haven't done it yet. I haven't finished it yet. So so here pick and save collaboration. The channel that part of this collaboration is Mamshi Queen, Cash and Color Budget, me, Blessed Budget by Abigail, Keeping It Crispy, Boop and Budget, Hippies, Puppies and Kitten Budget, Sinana Budget. So that's icon is their icon, our icon that represent us. Okay, so it's supposed to be a pick and save, but for me, I want to finish this, so I will do a roll and save. So I'll finish everything here, and then I don't know if I can go to the other challenges, but for now, let's do this one first, okay? So for my icon here, so 6, and then for Abigail, 6 and 5, 2 more, 6 and 3, and 1 more, so 6. So for this one, let's count it first. I don't want to make mistake. 6, 6, 6, 6, so 24 plus 8. So far this is 32. All right, 1, 2, 3, 24 plus 8, yeah, 32. And then for this one, so let's take it, it's done. And for crispy, just to roll the dice. So 4 and 5, so plus And then for Irene is 6 and 5. Wow, big roll, yeah. Plus 11. Right, how much now? 52. So let's move on to Trina of Hippies and Puppies and Kittens. So 2, 1, 1, 3 and 5. The last one, 4. So 2, 5, 10, 14. So 66. Oh my God, I messed up. Sorry about that. And then for Sin on a Budget, 5, 1, 5 and 4, plus 2, 6 and 2. Okay, so 6, 10, hold on. 6 plus 9 is 15, plus 6, 21, 23, right? 10, 20, yeah, 23. So total of $89. Okay, let's save $89. So finish this challenge, right? All right, I'm done with this challenge. And then what? Let's ring the bell. Ring the bell, ring the bell, my bell. So one of my collaboration saving challenge that I'm participating, it's done. And let's save here, how much? $89. 89 minus 100, so I need $11 change. Let's move here. If there's an $11 change here, $11 change. So far I don't have, so put it back here. Okay, I change it again. So now I can go with $89. 80, 924, 6, 7. Okay. So hard when you're using coins. That's why sometimes I don't use coins. So 89, 24, 6, 8, 10. Okay. 80, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 89. Okay. So far, oh, how much we save here? Let's see. 50, 100, 150, 200, 229. Yay! So much. Then, hold on. 100, 150, 200, 229. Yay, yay, yay! 229. Thank you, my co-collaborator. Thank you so much. I'm really happy. Even though I'm not that active, not like last year, but you're still there to mention me on your channel or to just put it on your description box. It's okay. I'm really happy. I'm really grateful for all of you. I hope I can join some too again. But for now, let's save this. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's save this one. And this one, okay, I just put it there because my tin can is not here. So let's continue. So the next collaboration that I will use, collaboration saving challenge, is this one. So let me put it aside. So this one is a collaboration for a lot of channels, but I'm not part of it. But I want to use this challenge, and they call it Everything Beachy. And then the channel that part of this one is I am KCJ Budget and Blog, Silentia Budget, Janet Journey, Make Money Save Money 111, Ange Budget and Depth, OC Budget Queen, Kimi's Corner, Sense Creations, Mamshi Queen, Blessed Budget by Abigail, Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budget, Howty Beauty Budgets, Brandy Janae, Lady Luck Saves, Simply Tea Plants, Sin on a Budget, Dreamy Budget, Bida's Budget, Dying Outlaw 9696 Games and Budget. I don't know if Agape or Agape Book Club and Paper, Penny Palette Studio, Michelle Organized Budget, Savings with NJX, Miss B Crops and Budgets, and My Girl Budgeting. So it's a so this one is like dice and roll. So this is from S&E Budget Creation. So she created this, and it's two dice. We need to use two dice. So whatever the dice roll, you need to save that amount. And if it's land on this icon of SNC, you have to save $8. So let's go. So 4 and 2. 4 and 2. So $3. Let's do one more. 5 and 6. 5, 5 and 6. So $2. So let's save here $5. Alright, for now, I will do like that. And next time, I will do more. And if I have enough money, I will go back. So if you want to get this, just go to SNC Creation and follow every one of that part of this collaboration. Just help each other, support each other. That's the team. That's the spirit of this community. Okay. And then for group play, this one is my creation. So each letter or each word is up to you how much you're gonna do. So for me, each letter, I will put it at $1. And for that one, I will save here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I always tell it to myself that this saying, it is not how many times you fail, it is how many times you pick yourself up. It's like motivating me to continue whatever I failed or whatever failure I have. So, and for you also, please don't give up. You still have chance, always have a chance, and just stand up and be brave enough to face whatever failure or whatever going on with you. All right. So we save here $10. And for this one, it's from No Release Budget. It's a roll and save. So let's roll here one-sided dice. Oh, sorry. Let's roll here six-sided dice. So 4, 4, 8, 1. I'll finish this June, okay? 1, 2, 6. Last one, 4. So let's count. 8, 9, 10, 20, 22. 8, 9, 10, 20, $22. Okay, let's save here $22. And let's ring the bell. Hold on, hold on. Don't mess up, lovely. Let's ring the bell. Oh, there's a lot of coins here. Maybe we can change. We can put back there. For now, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay, 7. Okay. So what we have here is, how much I save in here? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 87. Wow! For the month of June, for no release budget. Sorry. Yep. I save here $87. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Oh, fly out. I have my pan at my backside. My back. Well, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Yeah, 87. All right. I know where this money will go. I will reallocate it on my month ahead binder. So next time I'll try to finish this. Okay. And this one is a new one. It's a July collab. I don't know collab or it's a July group play of Doodle Dollars, but I haven't started it yet. But and it's a preview. So let's roll the dice. 2 dice then. So 2, 1 and 1, 6. Okay. So 8, one more then. 9. Okay, $9. I hope we have 2. Let's do one more. 9, 12. Okay. Let's do 12. I need to change this. Let's change this one first. Okay. 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, that 12. Okay, $12. I think I have IOU. Let's see if I have IOU. So no IOU. So let's start with August here. This is from, it's a freebie from the Queen, of course. Budget with Alma. He posted on his community post. You can check her out. So this one, either you roll and save or choose a number for each icon and save. So let's just do a roll and save here. So for pineapple, so 2, let's change. So for 4, 1, 5, 3, 3, 3, and 6. Okay. So let's save here for now. The pineapple. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's save here $4 and 1 and the watermelon. So let's save here $10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, $1, $1. So $10. Okay. The next one is from Eva of Budget Your Life. I got it from her website. So it said budget your live group save summer favorites. It's month of August, so just roll and save. So 3, 3, 6, 1, 4. So $10. Next one is from Miss Gracie of Garmisch Journey. It's a Hello August. It's a strawberries. So I think it's a DIY scratch off, but for me I just need to roll and save this one. So let's go. It's from Grammy's Journey again. So let's go for 6. Let's do one more. 6, $16. $16. 2, 4, 6. Okay. And then let's see where I still have here $13. Let's go back. Where? Let's see here. Okay, let's put it in here. So let's put $3 here. 1, 2, 3. And then let's put here $10. So each icon is going to be, let's make it $1 each. So $10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I need to catch up. That's why I make it just $1. Alright, that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for staying with me, and thank you so much for support and your support and your friendship. So far we finished here 2 saving challenges, and let's clap our hands. There's additional money for my month ahead binder, so just watch out at the end of this month. I will reallocate it again. So if you haven't watched my reallocation video, I will put it on my up somewhere in the screen, and then watch it, and let's and know which category is not yet fully funded for a month ahead. So that's it for now, lovelies. Bye for now, and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Love ya. God bless. Bye.